Save this because most people stop at Manali and miss what comes next. But we crossed the Atal Tunnel and within minutes, the entire landscape changed for us with wider roads, fewer vehicles, and snow-covered mountains opening up around us. This is Lahaul Valley and it's barely 40 to 50 kilometers ahead, yet it feels completely different. We stopped by the Beas River and had hot Maggie with that uninterrupted mountain view and then moved on for some snow activities. And just when we thought the day couldn't get better, it actually started snowing. So it's not a different trip, it's just going a little further. Would you go beyond Manali or stay where most of the people do? Comment down below.